Hey, what's up everybody? It's Andrew with Run Guns, and as you can see here, today we're going to be unboxing the Spear LT in 300 Blackout, as you saw in the title. In terms of disclosures, I have none. I paid for all this with my own money, just so y'all know. So this is the packaging that comes with the Spear LT, whichever size you get. It also comes in 5.56 and in 7.62 by 39. I believe those variants come in 11.5-inch barrel and also in a 16-inch. And this, of course, as I mentioned, is the 9-inch 300 Blackout. So a lot of foam here. I wasn't a huge fan of this packaging because, as you can see here, all this stuff gets kind of stuck onto your grip and all throughout your chamber. All these little pieces of foam that are just like flying all over the place in here. So not the most spectacular packaging. Kind of reminds me of my Scar 17S, if you all ever had one. Basically just comes in a cardboard box. But here it is. Get a bunch of disclosures here, safety warnings. You have a sticker that it does come with. This must be a mistake for NRA. They should really go to GOA or other better organizations out there. Some warnings. You also get a standard magazine for in 300 Blackout from Magpul. This is actually pretty nice. I'm going to be ordering some more of these because this is obviously what they trust and what SIG recommends, right? If not, they wouldn't put it in their packaging. As well as a lock. So let's take a look at the actual firearm itself. Starting at the front, you can see here that we have a QD muzzle. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be getting the 300 Blackout specific suppressor that they make for this. So I think it should be a really cool setup, and I'll let you guys know how that goes. It is made of titanium. They also make Inconel, I believe, which is a more durable, heavier material. But unfortunately, the 300 Blackout version that they make is only in titanium, so it will be lighter. It does have its pros and cons, so I totally understand that. It does have ambidextrous controls on either side, as you can see there. It does have a really nice match grade trigger, according to SIG. Very easy. Lock your chamber back. Move the chamber flag that it comes with. And I still have pieces of a styrofoam all up in here, unfortunately, but I'll just have to clean those out. Also have a nice handrail here. It is light, it's slim. The whole rifle, I believe, weighs 5.6 pounds. I mean pistol, of course, this is a pistol. I do not plan on SBRing this, by the way. I plan on keeping it as a pistol. It does meet my criteria for my backpack. If you all saw my previous video discussing different 300 Blackout options. So, just to show you all, this is my range bag. And it does fit in here nicely. Nice and compact, and that's exactly what I was looking for, something that would just fit my range bag. So definitely met that criteria. Other thing I could tell you guys, it does have also in the back here, QD. This is made of steel, so it should be non-rotating as well. I do plan on running this with a single point sling, which should be nice. If we did plan to SBR, and let's say the whole single point sling thing doesn't work out for me, I could always SBR it and just do a Form 1. You do have a Picatinny for attachments as well. And overall, it's just a small, compact, and powerful package that you could carry in a backpack, as you saw there. I do plan on buying some accessories for this, and that's one thing I do want to touch on. I do plan on getting an aim point on top. I do plan on getting a hand stop here so that my hand doesn't slide forward and have an accident, of course. I do plan on also the single point sling, as I mentioned, getting a light possibly. And that's pretty much it. And the suppressor, I think that's going to be the big one right there. But that's pretty much it. Like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. WRG out.